This is gonna blow your mind. Ever wondered which video editing tool can turn your raw footage into a masterpiece? We've got the answers. Let's dive into the best video editing tools for creators of all levels. First up, InShot. Perfect for quick, stylish videos on your phone with features like trimming, music, and effects. Next, Adobe Premiere Pro. Professional grade, versatile, and used by filmmakers worldwide. For Mac users, iMovie is a simple, beginner-friendly choice that delivers high-quality videos. Need mobility? Final Cut Pro for iPad offers advanced editing on the go. Then there's CapCut, easy to use with a wide range of features, great for beginners and pros alike. And DaVinci Resolve for iPad, renowned for its powerful color correction capabilities. The perfect tool for you depends on your needs and skill level. Explore options like InShot, Adobe Premiere Pro, and CapCut. Happy editing!
Want to edit like a pro? Check out these awesome video editing tools. First up, we've got ActionDirector. Powerful yet easy to use, it's perfect for both beginners and pros with high-quality output and fast rendering. Next, Adobe Express. Ideal for quick, eye-catching videos and social media content, plus it integrates smoothly with other Adobe products. Then there's Canva. With its vast library of templates, creating visually appealing videos has never been easier, especially for social media. Filmigo is your go-to for music videos. Tons of templates and effects make creating engaging content a breeze. For an intuitive and powerful option, check out Filmora. It's perfect for high-quality video creation. GoPro Quik is tailor-made for action cam footage. Quick and easy editing tools for your adventure videos. Splice offers a simple yet effective editing experience. Perfect for quick edits and polished videos on the go. Finally, Viva Video. With a variety of tools and effects, it's great for fun and engaging videos. Remember, the best tool depends on your needs and skill level. Try different options like InShot, Adobe Premiere Pro, and CapCut to find your perfect match. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome content. See you next time. Bye.